Sa ika-83 taong paggunita ng Araw ng Kagitingan, muli itong ginunita sa Mount Samat sa Pilar, Bataan. Personal na dinaluhan ito ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Sa mensahe ng Pangulo, mayroong dalawang aral ang iniwan ng ikalawang digmaang pandaigdig. Ito raw ang pagkakaisa sa pagkamit sa kapayapaan at ang pagpapakita ng kagitingan sa simpleng mga bagay sa pagpapakita ng malasakit at kabutihan sa ating kapwa.
We are a little bit disappointed to see that parts of the world, and many countries in the world have yet to learn that lesson. And we hope that that peace will be brought to us soon. We continue to believe in the courage of every single Filipino, not only our servicemen, not only those who fought as irregulars, but also our civilians who made their own sacrifices. Because after all, as it has been said, they too serve who sit and wait.
Dumalo rin dito sina Japanese Ambassador Endo Kazuya at si Deputy Chief of Mission ng US Embassy na si Robert Ewing.
By facing our history and sincerely reflecting on the deeds and sacrifices during those dark times, we laid the very foundation of our future-oriented partnership, one built upon mutual respect, understanding, and trust. This very spirit of determination is what our predecessors embodied when they shaped the principles of a free and open international order, grounded in the rule of law.
Today, that U.S.-Philippine alliance stands as a pillar of security and stability in the Pacific. Our forces work shoulder to shoulder 365 days a year to advance our shared goal of a free and open Indo-Pacific where international law is respected.
Maliban sa Bataan, ginunita rin ang Araw ng Kagitingan sa Ilocos Region. Sa Ilocos Sur, nag-alay ng bulaklak ang pamahalaang panlalawigan sa estatwa ni dating Pangulong Elpidio Quirino. Kinilala rin ang kontribusyon ng mga nabubuhay pang mga veterano sa pangunguna ng Philippine Veterans Affairs Office.
This occasion is not only a commemoration of valor, but also a heartfelt tribute to the extraordinary courage and sacrifices of our Filipino veterans, especially those who fought during the World War II. To these veterans, we owe a debt of gratitude that words alone cannot fully express.
Sa Ilocos Norte, sa Military Park sa makasaysayang Cape Bojidor sa Burgos, Ilocos Norte na piling ipagdiwang ang Araw ng Kagitingan. Dito, nag-alay sila ng bulaklak at pagpupugay sa mga veterano ng World War II. Sa mensahe ni Governor Matthew Marcos Manotoc, iginiit nito ang pag-aaral ng kasaysayan at mga banta sa modernong panahon.
All of the sacrifices that are made for us to enjoy the liberty and the peace that we enjoy today. You know, we cannot take this for granted, and most of all, we cannot take for granted the people who secure our nation and who secure our beloved province. Nonetheless, we are faced with increasing risks from our neighbors, increasing risks from global trade. In fact, sinasabi nga po, ito pong trade war na masasabi po natin, I guess, in a way, initiated by the United States. We are now seeing similar conditions to the 1930s that led to World War II. So we must continue to study history.
Nagsagawa naman ng wreath-laying ceremony ang mga kawani ng La Union PPO sa United States Armed Forces of the Philippines Northern Luzon Military Shrine sa Barangay Darigayos, Luna, La Union. Ang Araw ng Kagitingan ay ipinagdiwang sa Pilipinas bilang pag-alala sa sakripisyo ng mga Pilipino noong World War II, kabilang na ang Pilipinong nagmarcha sa Bataan Death March. Valerie Dismaya, RNG News.